Welcome to this walking tour of Scala, Italy. Scala is located high in the mountains above the Amalfi Coast. About 1,500 people live here, and it's located about 350 meters or about 1,100 feet above sea level.
Some traffic up here, but not too bad. Problem is it's like a one-lane road, so a lot of backups. And to get down to that's Ravello over there, and then down to Amalfi is that way.
I've recorded a video of taking the Città bus from Amalfi all the way up to Scala. I'll link that above. Be sure to take a look. It's really your only transportation option.
Okay. So
Please consider a like or a subscribe to support the channel.
the little supermarket right here. And then we got alright, so picking back up. This seems to be the or at least close to the central square. Butcher shop. Hair salon. Fruit stand.
Perché se uno fa proprio poco un tasto da lì quando la guarda da casa
Right, and this would be the proper central square.
Overall, Scala is a very pleasant place to visit. It's a little hard to get to, about a 45-minute bus ride up from Amalfi, but this would be a nice place to take a retreat. It's also perhaps a very inexpensive place to stay to visit the rest of the Amalfi Coast.